1. Create an emotional connection. The first secret is to make comments that generate an emotional connection. It's about showing that you're genuinely interested in what she's thinking and feeling. Comments that highlight your emotional connection show that you value more than her appearance. For example, say, "I love hearing your stories. Every time we talk, I feel like I'm discovering a new universe inside you." This statement praises her communication skills and expresses the significant impact her words and thoughts have on you. Another example might be, "I feel like with you, we can talk about anything." This feeling of freedom and mutual understanding is incredibly rare. "I love our relationship." This type of comment goes beyond the superficial and gets to the heart of human relationships, highlighting the true, deep bond that exists between you. They create an atmosphere of intimacy and emotional security, making her feel appreciated and wanted on a deeper level. 2. The power of specific, sincere compliments. The second secret to seducing a woman is to give her specific, sincere compliments. Instead of using generic phrases like, "You're beautiful," opt for more detailed, heartfelt compliments that show you're really paying attention to her unique qualities. For example, say something like, "I love the way your eyes light up when you talk about what you like." It's as if the world around you disappears, and there's only you and your passion. This type of compliment shows that you notice and appreciate her emotions and interests, creating a sense of intimacy and mutual understanding. Another approach might be, "Your smile is simply contagious." Your smile is simply contagious. It lights up any room and makes my heart beat faster when you smile. These specific compliments emphasize the positive impact she has on you and others, making her feel special and genuinely appreciated. These compliments show that you see her as a unique person and appreciate certain aspects of her personality and appearance. 3. Ask deep, interesting questions. To deepen your relationship and show that you really appreciate who she is, go beyond mundane questions and delve into topics that make her think and open up. Ask questions such as, "What was the happiest moment of your life? The one that makes your heart beat faster just thinking about it?" Or, "What inspires you every day to be the incredible woman you are?" These questions show genuine interest and create an atmosphere of intimacy and vulnerability, allowing the person to reveal their deepest passions and dreams. Compliment her answers by saying, "I love hearing about your experiences and what makes your heart tick." There's something magical about the way your eyes light up when you talk about something you love. Such comments not only bring you closer to a deeper level, but also make her feel special and truly understood, lighting a flame of desire and curiosity. 4. Make your compliments count. It's easy to say nice things, but if you want to stand out, you have to be sincere. Don't just shower her with compliments, make them mean something. Find out what really impresses you about her and let her know. And here's a pro tip, look for what makes her unique. Forget the generic, "You've got nice eyes." Find something that really sets her apart and talk about it. If she's a musician, don't just say she's talented. Tell her you see her passion, that one day she'll light up the stage. That's the kind of compliment that sticks, the kind that shows you really see who she is. 5. Sensual compliments. The final secret is to use sensual compliments to create a strong bond and instant attraction. It's important to distinguish between sensual and erotic compliments. Compliment her in a respectful, non-exaggerated way. For example, say, "Your lips are very beautiful and inviting," or, "Your eyes show what you want at that moment, and they're very beautiful, sensual and mysterious." Sensual compliments should be sincere, but not too sweet or romantic. Use these compliments to warm things up between you and create a deeper, more intimate connection. The right words can reveal a woman's intimate secrets and arouse attraction, interest, and even passion. 6. Stay playful. I'm not saying you have to turn into the class clown. Just add a sparkle to your interactions with her. Start with something small, an amusing comment here, a lingering glance there. Tease her a little, mimic her playfully, or challenge her opinions in a fun way. This kind of banter is irresistible because it's exciting and unpredictable. It shows that you're not just another man, but someone who brings joy and laughter into her life. But don't forget that if you're funny, you must also be a reliable man. Show her that you're there for her emotionally, while remaining light and engaging. Achieve this balance and she'll enjoy every moment she spends with you.